Faceless Chef here. Like a good burger? Enjoy sweet and spicy? Look no further whilst I show you how to make an exceptionally easy Korean fried chicken burger. Enjoy the recipe and ensure you watch to the end of the video to ensure you can take all ingredients and instructions. Start by butterflying breasts of chicken. I used 3. And coat these thoroughly with 400 ml or so of buttermilk. Leave these for at least 2 hours or overnight if you have the time to ensure your chicken breast is moist and tender. For coleslaw, I did go quick and simple. Take a bag of pre-mixed coleslaw ingredients. You can always click the card above to see my own recipe for homemade coleslaw. However, easy and quick was the recipe of the day. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a pinch of chili flakes, and 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Mix this together and leave to rest for at least 2 hours. Sriracha mayo hard? No way! Place 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Stir thoroughly, place in the refrigerator until needed. Boom, done. The Korean hot sauce is just as simple. Take 5 cloves of garlic and mince. Place in a heated pan, ensuring not to burn, and add 3 tablespoons of gochujang or Korean chili paste. I used approximately 200 ml of water, but you can add more or less depending on the thickness you want. Follow this with 1 tablespoon of honey. Again, you can do this by taste. Add more if you like a bit more sweetness with your spice. Simmer this slowly for 5 minutes. It can then be left to cool, but ensure you do warm it through gently before tossing your fried chicken in it. Time to prep our best part of the meal, the chicken. I use a mixture of 100 grams each of potato starch, although you can use corn flour as this is getting ridiculously expensive or rare in the UK, 100 grams of rice flour and 100 grams of plain flour. Give it a good mix and add a little bit of MSG because obviously that's full of flavour. Take each chicken breast, and this is down to you, for a small crunch, coat in the flour mixture, giving every inch a firm squeeze to ensure the coating sticks and covers. If you want a thicker, more crunchy coating, dip back in the buttermilk before again coating in more of the flour mixture. I didn't do this on this occasion, however, to give your coating a few lumps, you may wish to drizzle a tablespoon or so of buttermilk into the flour and mixing around to form little clumps before dipping your chicken in. Again, this does add to the crispiness and the texture of a fried chicken. We then preheat a deep fat fryer to 150 degrees C and fry these chicken breasts for approximately 6 minutes or until cut through. Remove these from the fryer and place into that delicious Korean hot sauce we previously made, thoroughly coating the breast. Don't leave it in too long though, you do want a crispy chicken and not a soggy chicken. And now to assemble the burger. Get your toasted bun, add sriracha mayo, lettuce, kimchi, your beautifully crisp Korean chicken burger, a cheese slice, some of that delicious and crunchy Asian style slaw, more sriracha and the bun. And enjoy! A delicious Korean style burger with kimchi, sriracha mayo, Asian style slaw. Fancy something different? Feel free to click on either video linked to the right. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, fantastic. Please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and join me and the rest of the Faceless community on the journey to 1000 subscribers and beyond. Make sure to hit the notification button to see more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode.